What's up, guys? It's Knoxy with Jescar Finishing. Today, we're going to talk about Jescar Fine Polish. I love this product for a multitude of reasons. The first one is going to be its ease of use and its diversity no matter what machine you use. Whether it's a dual action machine, a direct driven machine, or even a rotary, if you hook up Fine Polish with Jescar's finishing pad, you're going to get great results every single time. Whether you just did a paint correction and you need that next refinement stage, or you're just trying to rejuvenate your paint and get that depth, that shine, and that luster, Fine Polish is the product for the job. One of the other things that I absolutely love about this polish is how easy it comes off the panel. With a fine polish, you always want to have that ability, especially when you're dealing with finicky paints. Fine polish is absolutely going to assist you in that category. If you liked what you watched today, make sure to subscribe and ring that bell so you get notified every time when we release a new video. Thanks for watching.